student. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to start a revision, a very important topic, exothermic reaction and the endothermic reaction. Student, in the last video we have discussed about the characteristics of the chemical reaction, means what is the characteristics, what is the property, means how you identify, means this is the chemical reaction. So student, if any chemical reaction, heat release or light release is known as the exothermic reaction. Remember, and maybe the question asks what to differentiate between exothermic and the endothermic reaction. So in the exothermic reaction, the chemical reaction in which energy release in the form of heat or light is known as the exothermic reaction. And endothermic means the process, the chemical reaction in which energy absorbed in the form of heat or light is known as the endothermic reaction. So see student, first in the exothermic reaction, how will you prove that this is the exothermic reaction? So we need some experiment. Student, first you take one bucket. Okay, you take one bucket. In the bucket you take some water and add calcium oxide. You know calcium oxide? Lime, stone lime. Have you seen the lime, chuna? The stone lime, calcium oxide, and you put in the water. After 5 minutes, what is in that? We seen that the container, if the container is the metal, their wall become heat, and some gas also release, some vapor also release, and the water start the boiling. Okay, why? Because when calcium oxide or slag lime react with the water, it form calcium hydroxide and release heat. Remember, if you want to see, you purchase the lime from the market and you do the same experiment at the home. But don't put your hand in the container, otherwise it become harm you. Okay, student? So this is the exothermic reaction. Means in the exothermic reaction, the energy release. So remember student, if the question asks to define or differentiate between the exo and endothermic reaction, so in the exothermic reaction, energy release. Other process, student, sodium hydroxide is the base. When sodium hydroxide react with the acid, it forms salt and water and release heat. How? So student, in the one test tube, you take some sodium hydroxide and after that you add hydrochloric acid. When acid react with the base, then a difference reaction start, some gas release, some heat release, okay, and the result it forms salt and water and heat release. So this is also the example of the exothermic reaction. Okay, student? Similarly, other one is the endothermic. Endothermic means the reaction, the process in which energy absorbed is known as the endothermic reaction. So what is the endothermic? See, if the question asks what is the endothermic? In the endothermic reaction, the chemical reaction in which energy absorbed is known as the endothermic reaction. So what is the example? So see student, first nitrogen. When nitrogen reacts with the oxygen at 3000 degrees Celsius temperature, it forms nitrogen monoxide. And you know student, such conditions when it occur in the atmosphere. You know how? See, student, in the atmosphere, student, during the rainy time, when two clouds meet together, yes or no? So have you seen the lightning, thunder and lightning in the rainy season? So question is, how the lightning develop? You know, tell how the lightning develop? When two clouds meet together, then suppose that one cloud contain less charge, other contain more charge. So the cloud which contain more charge, such charge transfer into the other cloud. Is the negative charge. So when million number of charge jump from one cloud to the other cloud, it develops some light. Okay. So student, at the result, when nitrogen react with the oxygen, so on that temperature, more temperature release about the 3000 degrees Celsius temperature, and at that temperature, the nitrogen react with the oxygen and form nitrogen monoxide. This is the already natural process. So in the first process, energy absorbed. See second one, calcium carbonate, CaCO3. When calcium carbonate heat at the 1000 degrees Celsius temperature, it decomposes into the calcium oxide and release carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the endothermic reaction. And you know student, what is this? This is the one special name. The special name is the decomposition reaction. Reaction are the 4 type. We discussed in the higher classes. So student, first one is the combination reaction. In the combination, so student, in the combination reaction, 2 or more things join together and form a single product. This is the combination reaction. This is the combination reaction. Second one, decomposition, where any bigger molecules break into 2 or more simpler substance by heating. By heating is known as the decomposition reaction. So student, in such cases, the calcium carbonate absorb the heat and decompose into the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So remember, if in the reactant side 2 or more things join together and form a single product, at the product side means this is the combination. Combination means joining. Clear? And the decomposition, a bigger molecule break into 2 or more simpler substance. Okay. See, calcium oxide and the carbon dioxide. And very important example, absorption of light. In some cases, light also absorbed. So student, is a very familiar example. When carbon dioxide react with the water. Where? You know, plant. How the plant make their food? Plant make their food by the process of photosynthesis. It already is the natural process. How it forms? See, when plant in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. You know chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the one green pigment present in the plant leaf. So in the presence of chlorophyll, the plant absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, water from the soil. In the presence of sunlight, it forms glucose and oxygen. You know, state in the carbon oxygen cycle. In the carbon oxygen cycle, you know, the such oxygen absorbed by the human beings. Okay, and after that, the human release the carbon dioxide. So the human or animal who release the carbon dioxide, such CO2 absorbed by the plant. And so you can see, is the 3 example of the endothermic is a very important, and the 2 example of the exothermic. So study well. Okay, and if any doubt, you ask me. Okay. Thank you.